Howdy guys, Peter from Cherry Mouth Roasters here in Williamstown in Melbourne. Today we're going to go through the Aeropress. We're going to use the Aeropress Go, so the smaller one. This recipe will work with all versions. So all it is that we need is the Aeropress, some hot water and some coffee and some filters. So let's go. We'll show you. We're going to do the inverted method today. So pull the filter off, open this guy right up so it's just on the bottom like that, and turn the scale on, and we're going to get the filter. So one of these paper filters here, put it in here, and I like to give it a rinse. Today we're going to use the just a normal kettle like everybody will have at home, and all you do with that is push the button down, and a minute after you've once it's boiled is when we're going to start using it. So I'll just push the button down now. We've washed the filter. We'll do that just to get rid of all the paper flavours out of the filter, and just to clean it. So we'll sit that there, get it ready. So today we're going to use 14 grams of the Guatemalan. It's an anaerobic fermented natural, beautiful coffee. It's actually a filter version. There's an espresso version of it too. It can work in this Aeropress. Aeropress, you can use any coffee. So if you've got any of these guys here, which I'll introduce to you later. But we've got 14 grams of coffee there. So let's push 0 there. The kettle's boiled, so we're just waiting for that minute for it to, so we can add the water in. So we've got 14 grams of coffee there. We're going to add 200 mils of water to that. So it's been about a minute. We're aiming for about 96 degree water, as it's a filter version. If it was espresso, we might aim for 93, so you might give this kettle another 30 seconds or maybe even 2 minutes after the boil. So just depends on what coffee you're using and what flavours you're chasing really. But what we'll do, we'll push the timer button. So you need a timer, and we're going to just pour 200 mils of coffee in there. There we go, pretty close. 200 there, timer started. So this is as simple as it gets. Use your spoon, give it a stir, make sure no clumps in there, all the coffee is exposed to this hot water, so you get maximum flavours out of the coffee you've used. Put the lid on it, make sure you turn it right around. The beauty about this method is you don't have any mess, or very little mess. So all we're waiting now is another minute and 10 seconds for the extraction to happen. But I'll just introduce the other coffees that we've got here. So we've got the Luscious Lorikeet. It's a lot more of a rounded flavour. It's fruity, floral. This one here is the strongest one we've got. Pretty popular. Most punters love this one here if you're after a stronger coffee. And we've also got the Dosing Decaf, which is a decaf, and it definitely does jump off the shelf here because it tastes that good, even though it's a decaf. And also the single origin, which is what we've always got a single origin on the shelf. It's there's always a single origin, but it's seasonal. So as soon as we run out, we just get a fresh one off the ship that's come in a week or so before, or a day before I order, and we get it in and have some fun with it. So yeah, now we've coming up to 2 minutes. So all you need to do is brew it straight into your cup normally, but I'm just going to serve it into this today. Upside down like this. I made a bit of a mess there, I was a bit slow. But yeah, push this right through. Keep pushing it. Nice and gently, no great force, it's just a little bit of weight on it until you hear a hiss. You should be able to hear a hiss shortly. There we go. Hear the hiss, you stop, because we're out of water. And that's it. And then from there, grab your cherry mouth coffee mug, straight in there. All these gadgets are on sale on the website or in here at the roastery at Zanzan's. Oh, that tastes good. That there is, it's crazy the flavours you get out of an Aeropress. It's a great tool. It's crazy to think that it was only invented, I don't know, 20 years ago. Probably, yeah, 20, might be 30 years ago, but yeah, great tool. If you haven't got one, grab one, take it with you on your holidays, or even use it in your kitchen at home, because the coffee that it puts out is incredible. And I actually think there's a bigger one coming. So this one here is the Go. So it goes up to 3 numbers on it. The original goes up to 4. I think there's a bigger one coming out soon, so keep your eyes out for the Big Daddy. We'll have it in stock as soon as we can get it. But yeah, thanks for sticking around, and come into the warehouse or jump online. We ship out all over Australia. We deliver locally to people's doors. They order by 2:30. We drop it to their door before 9 o'clock that night. So crazy if you don't jump in. Anyway, thanks for your time. Oh, that's a good coffee.